What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable your microphone on Windows 10. So sometimes the microphone doesn't work. In today's video I will show you an easy method to enable your microphone on Windows 10. If it didn't work, you can comment below this video and I will try to help or make another tutorial for your problem. But in today's video I'm gonna show you something easy to fix your microphone. So the first thing, open the Windows bar and then type settings. So we're gonna open the settings. After that, search microphone. Once you type microphone, you're gonna see microphone setup and microphone privacy settings. So click microphone privacy settings and you're gonna see that the microphone is on. If it's off, make sure it's enabled. After that, check your application or like the application you want to use your microphone with. For example, I'm using right now the microphone with Camtasia, and as you guys can see here, it's currently in use. For you need to make sure it's on. For example, like if it's off, enable the application. After that, I think it's gonna work. If it didn't, you could email us or contact us on our official website, theinternetmoola.com. You're gonna find the link of our website below this video in the description. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.